Hey everyone, Mike Johnson here from AC Man Heating and Air Conditioning. I'm going to Rayford to do two repairs, two separate houses on some air conditioning units. And since I'm heading to Rayford, I'm going to swing by this food truck that I saw that sells empanadas. This is a Puerto Rican food truck. I don't know a ton of places to get a really good empanada, so I want to check this out. So I'll order one, I'll show it to you guys, and let's see how it is. All right, see you in a few minutes. Hey, good, how are you? I'm gonna get some two empanadas beef. Well, you had beef and potato.
Yeah.
Yeah, that.
That one?
Yeah, do you have maduros?
Yeah.
Let me do that.
You want combo number 2?
Yeah, yep. Yes, sir. All right, so this is the truck here. You see it, it says Empanada. El Coquis Empanada Workshop. So I'm gonna walk over to my truck here. So we are on Rayford Road by the Alpha Academy in the Money Quick. You see the sign there. Let me turn my thing around. An empanada is almost like a Jamaican beef patty. If you ever had a Jamaican beef patty, it's like it has fried breading and it has seasoned meat inside. Now, empanadas in Jamaican beef patties are similar, but they're not the same. The flavoring is different and the breading is different, which is why I'm excited to try this empanada, because I don't see too many places where you can get empanadas. I know one good place to get Jamaican beef patties. We'll do that in another episode. So I'm gonna try these. I'll wait till they come out, we'll try them, and then I'll head to my air conditioning service calls. All right, I should have them in a minute. Okay, I'm back in the truck, getting ready to do this estimate, but I got the goods. All right, these are empanadas. Can you see that? Let me see if I can get you a better view. This is an empanada. See that? And these are maduros. Maduros is the word for ripe. I just learned that. You know, the little fried bananas that everybody loves from the Spanish food culture. Let me break one of these open, show you what they look like inside. It's very hot. Okay. All right, check that out. See all that delicious meat there? I love the flavoring of the empanada. That's amazing. That's amazing. I highly recommend you check this out. It's called El Coquis Empanada Express. It looks like it's the address is 8006 Rayford Road. That's the store that it's in front of, right in front of Tunbridge on Rayford Road, the Tunbridge neighborhood. Check it out. Friendly people, awesome place. I took some pictures of their menu. I'll go ahead and share that at the end of this video. And until tomorrow. All right, see you guys. This video has been brought to you by AC Man Heating and Air Conditioning. Everyone have a great day.